Double checking the mark just to make sure that the pile hasn't skated away from the mark. And at this point, it's going to start going a little bit quicker. Slow down in order to speed up. Measure twice, cut once sort of attitude. As you can see, very little disruption to the soil. No spoils. We're not making any bigger of a mess than there already is in the pit. We got Brad constantly working the level, giving feedback to Travis, making sure that pile stays plumb. The beauty of this is that not only does a pile go in a matter of a few minutes, it can be built on immediately. So as soon as these pile caps are welded on, Cody and the team at Brownstone can get started on the next step in the process immediately. Even in the winter time, pile this size, machine this size, we don't even have to pre-drill through the frost. We can just get right to it. No heating and hoarding. No worrying about the mix being right or wrong, accelerants in the concrete, that sort of thing. We can avoid all that by using a mechanical pile made of steel. The other thing that you'll notice is that we're right next to a home, and you really don't have to worry about vibrations impacting the foundation of the neighbor. And the volume, in terms of sound, there's no constant hitting or vibration. It's very non-disruptive, especially in a beautiful neighborhood like this. See, we've got a wonderful park right there. Just a beautiful spot to be building a home. Got about 20 feet in the ground already. At the same time, Jeff's just picked up the next pile, so the ample time to disconnect the straps, grab a pile. He's going to work that into place so that we can just keep moving. Got over 100 piles. We want to do this in just a couple days. It's hard to see from the video, but Travis is always making sure there's adequate crowd being put on the pile here as well. As you can see, every time they turn, it's consistently going into the ground. We're not augering. We're using a properly pitched helix. Should be getting into till at this point, working their way through. And they're going to have auger refusal happening at any moment here. And there you go.